Have you ever wondered why your savings are not growing even as your income or salary increases? Many of us have contemplated this at some point. You would think that more money means more savings, right? But that's not always the case. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll explain why. Hey everyone, I am Jitendra Shrivastav, strategist for managing and protecting your wealth. Today, we are talking about something close to your heart, not having enough savings. First off, let's burst a common myth. It's easy to assume that the more we earn, the more we should automatically save. But in reality, it's not that simple. As your income increases, so do your expenses. Why it happens? We will cover it in 4 reasons and provide 4 solutions as well to enhance your savings. First reason, lifestyle inflation or internal inflation. Let's say you just got a raise or big bonus. Suddenly, you might feel like it's time to upgrade, buy a new car, move to a bigger house, or dine out more frequently. This is called lifestyle inflation or lifestyle creep. You are spending more, often on things that are not essential. And before you know it, your new expenses are eating up most of the extra income. That's the first big reason why your savings might not grow. Your spendings keep increasing as your income does. Second reason, lack of clear saving goals. When you don't have specific financial goals, it's hard to stay disciplined. It's like driving without knowing your destination. You will likely waste time, or in this case, money along the way. Third reason, untracked spendings. Another sneaky culprit is untracked spending. It's easy to lose track of small, frequent purchases. A coffee here, a subscription there. They might seem minor, but they add up quickly. If you are not paying attention to these little costs, you will end up wondering where all your money went. Fourth reason, poor financial planning. Lastly, not having a financial strategy at all can limit your savings. If you don't have a financial plan for where your money should go, how much for bills, how much for savings, how much for fun, you might end up overspending on non-essential things. So, what can you do to make sure your savings grow with your income? Here are 4 solutions for you. First, be mindful of lifestyle inflation. Just because you are earning more doesn't mean you need to spend more. Make it your mantra that any additional income will be invested for future financial goals. Second, set specific savings plan based on your financial goals to keep yourself accountable. For example, decide you want to save 20% or 30% of your income each month. This way, you are actively ensuring your savings grow with your salary. Third, track your spending. Small purchases add up. This is where budgeting tools and apps come in handy. They can help you track every dollar. Once you start monitoring, you will probably be surprised at how much is slipping through the cracks. Fourth, build a dedicated financial plan by seeking help from qualified and experienced financial planner. Automate your monthly savings wherever possible. Setting up automatic transfer to a saving plan is a great way to ensure that a portion of your income is saved each month without you even think about it. Remember, increasing your income is great, but growing your saving is a must. This requires discipline and detailed financial planning. Now, last but not the least, here is a simple financial code for you. Your income can rise, but make sure your savings rise even faster. Prudent financial management, like a smart investor, is the key to building wealth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. See you soon.